What's up, guys? Jason here with the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it's the 18th of May. It's kind of rainy out, so today we're inside working on the water heater. So this past week, when I was at work, I actually got a text message and an email from the water heater. This Rheem water heater, it has this leak guard protection. It's actually a shutoff valve on here that if the water tank itself detects a leak, it will shut off the water coming into the tank, which is a pretty cool safety feature, I think. That way you don't flood your house or anything like that. But it sent me a text message. Thankfully, my daughter Maggie was home at the time, and she came and ran over and checked it. There was no water leak. So I came home and I power cycled it on the breaker, and I just couldn't seem to figure out what was going on with it. So I actually called a service tech through Rheem. Rheem, it was a local company here that is an authorized contractor. So they came out and diagnosed it. $381. It was a 45-minute appointment, guys. I am just blown away with the service industry and where their prices are at. It was like $150 for like travel and like service, and there was like another fee just like so they could talk to Rheem and diagnose the issue. I was just blown away. But you know, it's warranted, so I got the part for free. So it's just blows me away. So the big question really is this going to fix the problem? The problem was an A102. If you got it on, if you saw it on your email or text message, maybe you have one at home, but it's EcoNet Alert 8 A102, and pretty much it says Gladiator water heater, water sensor alarm. Please check for water heater for potential leaks to prevent damage. So, so they went ahead and determined it was this little wire. This wire is near the bottom, and it just plugs in and it goes down like this little tube. So they actually sent me one, which I thought was nice, right? Because I already spent $381. So instead of them coming back out, probably paying another $200 plus for them to put the part in, they just sent it to me. Rheem FedEx it to me, and today we're going to install it and see what happens. But it is this is a ProTech. The part number is leak sensor SP21050 service part kit. So we're going to go ahead, flip the breaker, turn it off, install the new one, and see if this is going to clear the alarm or not. If it doesn't, I really don't know what's next. So let's start with the breaker, let's install and see what happens. Here we go. Okay, guys, so here we go. We're at the bottom of the tank right now, and this should be a very, very simple install. Here we got our wire, and it's going to connect to this black connector. And there actually is, it's kind of hard to see. Oh, this thing, we'll just take that out for now. But right here, there is a tube. It's like just a opaque looking tube. And the wire itself is just going to go down that tube. So he said just to run it down the tube, and we'll just plug it into the sensor here. So we're just going to feed it in there. Try not to kink it or anything. Just going to push it really nice. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to keep going until I kind of get, you know, level with the connector. So It must just go somewhere near the bottom. Okay, so we've reached the bottom here. And then we're just going to line up our connectors. Looks like it's pretty self-explanatory here. The male and female ends, so. And that's it. So that part now is connected. And we have it, you know, running down the little tube. So, okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back together. This piece came off. I'm really not sure what this is for. I think it just protects this. Alright guys, just putting a final screw here on the plate where we accessed to put the sensor. So let's go ahead and turn the breaker on, and I guess we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I'm going to flip the breaker, and then the unit will it'll come on. Now the goal here is to not see any alarms come on. You know, this system has a Wi-Fi, so right now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi, which I have the app on my phone. It's like an app through Rheem, but if anything comes on, a light will light up here. But hopefully this is the issue. I guess just wait and see. Okay guys, so I think that fixed it. The alarm hasn't come on. So I think we're good. So I'll leave a link below for the part number. So if you run into a situation where you have A102 coming up on your Rheem Gladiator water heater, that may be the problem. It seemed to be fixed mine. So, alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. We'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.